Hello guys, so in today's video we will be making a hair growth butter. Yes, this is one product that every person that wants a long full hair should have. And please watch this video till the end because I will be showing you exactly how to use this hair growth butter to be able to achieve a lengthy and a full hair. I've been using this for a long time, and guys, I will want you to have this too. So this is me measuring out my butter. So this is the first ingredient. I am using shea butter. You can use any butter of your choice, be it mango butter, avocado butter, almond butter, any butter that works well for you. But in this video I will be using shea butter. Shea butter is rich in fatty acid and vitamin A and E, which is highly beneficial for the hair. So right now I'll go ahead to add in my oil. This is olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, any oil that works better for you. You can use it. So I will be adding a little bit of olive oil, and then after this I'll go ahead to add in my grapeseed oil. Yes, please make sure that your oil is not more than your butter. You can add a little bit more of oil, but for me this is just perfect because the main thing I want here is this powder. This is a moringa powder. You can do well to add in any powder of your choice, any powder at all that you love. I will be using moringa in this hair growth butter. Moringa is one powerful herb for hair growth. You can just browse about herbs and their benefits and choose the one you want. So guys, right now in a clean pot, you just put water. This is called a double boiler method. Yes, so you put water in a clean pot and then you put your butter plate over it. Yes, and you allow this to melt. Yes, allow this melt. This could take about 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, it's melting here already. So you have to make sure that it melts completely. So I will just keep stirring until the powder and the butter, everything gets in together. So guys, it's really important that you make sure that everything has melted. Yes, please, because we want all the goodness to come together. So right now this is it. This is what it looks like. So I'll just go ahead to put this in my freezer, so this will freeze. Yes, I will allow this for about 10-20 minutes, and then guys, this is what it looks like. So let's move ahead to whip this. I'll be making use of my hand mixer, and please take your time to do this. Make sure that you whip this properly. So guys, this is one way to incorporate a herb into your hair growth products and expect massive results, because these herbs have serious benefits. They are really powerful when it comes to restoring, repairing and healing. Yes, that is why people even consume these herbs like cloves, rosemary, hibiscus, all of them. They are really beneficial. So you don't just only apply these things to your hair. A lot of people consume them and it also works for them. So guys, we are done. Can you see how beautiful this looks? So I'll just go ahead to package this. Yes, I will package this. And guys, most of my DIYs, I don't use them alone. I share them with people, and they always come back with good testimonies. Yes guys, so we will move ahead to how to use this for massive growth, how to use this to be able to see length and volume. There is the right way to use this, guys. If you use it wrongly, you may not be able to see the length and the volume that you desire. So right now I will show you guys how I use this on my hair to be able to retain length and volume. Let's get right into it. So guys, my hair is freshly washed. Yes, I just washed my hair. As you can see, it's looking really clean. So there will be no need for me to spray my hair because my hair is already damp. But if your hair is dry, please do well to spray your hair and make it a little bit damp. So next, I'll go in with my leave-in conditioner to put in moisture to my hair. Yes, this will hydrate my hair and give it the moisture that I need. So guys, this is it. If your hair is not always properly moisturized, if you always have a dry hair, your hair will break off. Your hair will always break. I keep telling people this thing, that once you are always carrying dry hair up and down, just don't think that your hair will retain any length and volume. Your hair always needs to be moisturized, and there's a process for moisturizing where you spray water or any water-based product, and then you go in with your leave-in conditioner. Yes, after going in with your leave-in conditioner, then you seal in moisture with a hair butter. Yes, some people use oils, but then I use butters because they seal in the moisture better for me. Your hair needs moisture to be able to thrive. This is one big secret that a lot of people don't know. Now, this is where our butter comes into play. This will seal in that moisture so that this moisture will not leave your hair easily. If the moisture is leaving your hair easily, your hair will go back to square zero. It will go back to zero because your hair will be dry easily, and that is prone to breakage. So this hair butter will help you seal in that moisture. It will hold in the moisture for a long period of time. Do you now understand why you need a hair butter? A healthy hair butter for that matter. That is why we are using good butters and herbs to make this. This butter I just made deeply moisturizes, softens and protects the hair. It replenishes moisture without heaviness and creates a protective barrier against sun, heat and environmental damage. Your hair needs this. It strengthens the hair shaft. It reduces breakage and split ends, making the hair smoother, shinier and easier to manage. Guys, this is a whole lot of benefits for your hair, and I think everyone needs this. As far as you want length and volume, please do well to invest in this product. If you have any question, please do well to ask me in the comment section. Stay tuned for more hair growth tips like this, and also DIYs. Yes, a lot of you complain that I don't really do DIYs. I do DIYs, so but not so much, but don't worry, you get more of this. Bye.